Hello learners. Welcome to a new exciting journey. From today we are starting a new journey. In this channel we are about to launch a new web development tutorial which would carry various types of languages, tools and techniques which you need to learn as a developer. Well, in this series we would try our best to cover various technologies like HTML, CSS, JS, Bootstrap, Typescript, PHP, some database concepts from beginner to advanced level, all for free so that you could get best tutorial ever uploaded on this YouTube platform. Well, throughout this series you would be shown clear and easy notes which would make you learning more smooth. Also we would cover various projects like digital clock, QR code generator, Spotify clone, etc., which would be very much beneficial for you understand web development concepts easily. Hope you are satisfied. So, let's get started for this new exciting journey. But before that I need your support. Please subscribe to this channel, share it with your friends, and don't forget to comment what else you need from this course. See you in the next video. Bye.